Hello, today let's talk about this most powerful jump starter. This jump starter here instantly start any 12-volt vehicles. We can connect this JFEGWO 8250 ampere super jump starter to our positive battery pole. Alternatively, we can connect the black clamp, to our engine bay or the minus pole of our battery, and then we can start our engine. The product features an incorrect connection alert. The built-in reverse polarity detection system immediately triggers visual and audible warnings and automatically cut off the power output when the clamps are connected incorrectly, as you can see. That's a good thing that you do not have problems with connection. If we start the first start button on the jump starter, then we correctly connect the clamps to our direct lines into our vehicle. We can start your engine without battery, and no repeated plugging is required. We're featuring a single connection technology. The clamps maintain secure contact until ignition is completed. No replugging is needed, this saving time and hassle during emergencies. And no power drain when the vehicle is off. This ensures a more starting in times and protects the automatic electronic circuit without vehicle damage.